Soph?
Wait, no, you have to walk by yourself this time. Whoa. You have to go by yourself this time. You can't hold on to me.
Sophie, come on.
Give me your hand.
She has to hold on to the railing.
You want to hold the railing? You can hold it, Wilcie. Okay. Do you see what it is?
Yes.
What is it?
What is that?
What is that,
Sophie? Sophie? What is that?
Polar bear.
Did you pull the bear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sophie, what do you say to Amy and Grandpa? Sophie, what do you say?
Thank you.
You look at the camera. Look at the camera. Are you too busy now? Sophie, look at the camera. Can you say thank you? She's too busy. Sophie!
Sophie, can you say thank you on
Look,
the camera?
look at the camera. Sophie, look. She's cooking already.
You want to cook that? Put it on the stove. Put it on the stove. Okay, you put it right on the middle of the stove. Right here. Watch.
It's gonna... Is it cooking?
In the microwave.
I'm gonna put it in the microwave.
In here.
Sophie, can you look at the camera? Are you cooking? Yeah. Sophie, blow a kiss to Amy and Grandpa. You said thank you?
Thank you.
Did you say thank you to Uncle Danny and Aunt Eliza for the shopping cart? Can you say thank you? So busy. Okay. So Amy and Grandpa, thank you so much for the kitchen set. Aunt Eliza and Uncle Danny, thank you very much for the shopping cart. We're going to have lots of fun. Hopefully it will provide hours of mommy quiet time. She's already busy cooking. Did you see the microwave, Soph? You can press the buttons on the microwave.
Wait.
Are you closing the door first? Oh, you're cooking in the microwave, huh? Say love you.
Love you.
I'm busy playing now. Sophie, look here. Look at the camera. Love you.
Love you.